Hi, I'm Chloe Ponsard and I'm an associate at Osborne Clark. I'm here with partner Steven Verschuur, who is the head of our competition team, to discuss the upcoming VBO FEB webinar on competition and the regulation of online platforms. Steven, I understand you'll be one of the participants in the panel. Could you give us an overview of what the session will be about?
Yes, thank you, Chloe. This webinar will be about competition law and how online platforms are regulated. I'll be talking about the features of competition law that are critical to regulating the digital marketplace, and we will discuss how some platforms can potentially be monopolies.
So a bit like the last session, we will see how the digital consumer can be at a disadvantage in the online world.
Correct. And in particular, I'll be talking about several examples of digital platforms and how their behavior can threaten competition, for example, by restricting market access for certain apps, and how this can harm consumers.
Very interesting. I understand the other speaker for the event is also a legal expert. Could you tell us more about her and her topic?
Of course, I'll be joined by Anne Valérie, a special counsel at WilmerHale. Anne will be talking about Europe's digital future and how online platforms will be regulated in Europe.
So I suppose we will be hearing a lot about the Digital Services Act and the Digital Markets Act.
Precisely. The DSA and the DMA will have an enormous impact in Europe, and Anne will discuss how large platforms like Google, Facebook, or TikTok will be regulated.
Thanks so much, Steven. It sounds like a really interesting session for those of us interested in competition and the regulation of online platforms. As a reminder for those watching, this event is on March the 16th and will be in French and Dutch. Registration is free and you can sign up on the link below.